Way back in the day, I dreamt of this day. Lock it in with niggas that be trying to make a way. I remember struggling to write raps in the page. Now we elevate 7 cruise songs in your plate. Hey, music is king. Fuck how you feel. I met with real niggas through this. My life is a bliss. I pray to God to bless the whole team as well as the face. Paint a picture like in a dream. Reality king. I learned this shit from a barber who cuts for an hour with patience and precision like karma. He reaps like a farmer. Finer things I stated to pop up. I learned from my papa. I broke a leg and chose to hip hop. That's true for the culture, and I am one of one. I see the God in what you envy, and I am God saying, this is the daily bread that you prayed for.
Drum, bang that shit. I remember days we had no eat, but God is great, he does exist. Made sure a nigga cut a piece, made sure I have no counterfeit of niggas who gon' try my plate. My niggas are a blessing. I write that with bold caption, I write that for no attention, I write that with satisfaction, I write that cause we got action, I write that to cause attention, I write that to fuck your fashion, I write that with huge intention, I write that to suck your passion, I write that with a direction. I'm so happy I met my niggas, I'm so happy I met the nigga self, the beast inside the shelf, the gorilla, that's the man himself. So happy I met my niggas, I'm so happy I met the nigga YB baller stoner, a flow me China, that's the man himself. So happy I met my niggas, I'm so happy I met my nigga Zulu, what the fucking guru, traditional singer killer. Happy I met my niggas, I'm so happy I met my nigga VG TDE shoes, my nigga, he a beat killer nigga.